Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, new record for me. Got 12 and I got 11 yesterday. I played right. I didn't play last night, but I played yesterday morning after the video, and then I played before I made the video for about an hour. I had a real kick-ass rentals. Let me go show you what I got. It was the life element. The life element. And let's see, they might have gone back already, rented to me. No, here's what I got. This is the team and I got these for cheap. All of them were for like under 30 DEC. And this one I have, this one I rented. Yeah, well, all these I rented, but no gold. But I would put him as my tank, or I'd put him behind the zero mana fiend. And that way, after the first attack, once he got up into that front line, he was able to attack right off the bat. This guy put 2 or 3 behind him. This one I'd always put in the rear because he gets 1 point for, and plus he's sneak attacking the whole time. And then this at maxed out's a good one too. And this summoner was cheap compared to the other ones. And you get +3 shield, -1, and I got a 5% bonus on my SP and DEC because it's a beta card or something like that. And this guy is just kick-ass too. So it worked out real good. But let's go open up the chest. Claim. So I got 43 chests for the season. That's going to be, next Tuesday is going to be awesome. I might end up with 60. That number keeps going higher and higher that you have to get to. It's at 54,000 now. So it's going to get harder to get more, or take longer, I guess, not harder. Okay, there we got a potion. I'm not opening any packs soon. Have you seen the prices? They're $40 dark crystals. They've even gotten worse than the day before. 136, nice. 16. Okay, this will help my rent. This is going to cover my rentals for today, so I'm glad for that. Another potion. Another 64 dark crystals. 200, all right. And a new card. Fantastic. Okay, so good DC. I've got a lot of potions. So that's doing good. My affiliate member showed back up and started playing again. So I guess the new system didn't scare him away. He might just not have time. Like a lot of us, we have to adjust what kind of time we're going to put towards this. But he's got 443 battles in a ranking of 139, Ronnie 500. If you're watching this and listening, don't feel bad. You've got a bunch of OGs dropping down into bronze, kicking ass. And bronze is brutal, especially when you got people dropping down from diamond. Okay, and everybody knows who I'm talking about. If you're one of those people, and I don't, that's the beauty of this game. You can do it any way you want to. I'm not going to find fault for anybody with their strategy, but I do want people to keep in mind that we want to. I don't want to use the word groom the newbies, but we don't want to scare them off either, because it's the newbies that are going to, that are the future as far as building a bigger platform. And so I think the easier we can make it for them, however that might be, is better. Just keep that in mind. That's my opinion, and that's all it is. I got right here, Joffrey Jones sent, I pulled 4,500 DEC in one gold chest today. That was yesterday. That's like $5, so that's awesome. That's a nice pull. And so let's go to the numbers here. It's the 10th of June, day 159. I'll put in $10 for tomorrow, today, so I get that extra SPS. Okay, here's the numbers. I get the asset value, the number of cards, the PowerPoints, SPS, profit. I also have, let me go and put that on there. I keep forgetting to do that. Box. And then let me just bring that back over. PowerPoints, SPS, profit. And then I'll go slow. You can pause it and look at any of the days. I've only missed 2 days since I've been doing this. And the day before was the second day. But so 915 asset value, it's gone up just a hair. 170 cards, 5664 in the box, 164, 167. Again, I've broken record every single day for the last 3 weeks on collection power. 88 SPS, $91 asset value. That's if I sold everything today. That's my profit. About $2, $3 in DEC maybe, and that's after I paid myself back the $914. This is what I'd walk away with. That's before taxes, but everything's plummeted in the last few days, and everything's down 80% since I got in. So we're in a good position when it explodes. This number is going to take, and look how fast it can take off. I was up at, it went down to negative 50, and then a week later I'm at 301. That's how fast, 302. It just bounces all over the place. It's a very volatile system. Peak monsters. Let's see if it's gone up since I started. Yeah, no, right about 912 is where it's at. What else did I want to show you real quick? Let's see. Oh, look at that. This is what I just won. So I'm up to 35. That's an extra 500. I got some credits left that you can also use to rent also. And let's go look at the shop real quick. Oh, I want to look at the numbers. We haven't looked at that in a few days. The dashboard at Peak Monsters. Okay, no packs are selling because you're just not getting any value out of it. Because when you, unless you get something really good, you're going to get like 50 cents worth of cards out of a $4 pack. So it's not really good to buy packs right now. And trust me, I love buying packs, but I'm going to wait till it comes back up and tell them I'm going to buy directly out of the market. Let's go look at the nodes, see if I'm still in line to get one in December. And yeah, they're kind of hit a wall. They've sold a couple hundred here in the last week or so, and I'm fine with that. They can't. You're not going to really get anything out of it. You are getting vouchers now per day. I think you're getting like 12 if you own per every one you own. But as far as it, and again, you got to remember, they want to get them going in December or the last quarter, but things get held up. It could be in the middle of next year. Maybe you got to keep that in mind when you buy one. Okay, so let's go look at the dashboard, and then I'll let you go. Let's do the last 14 days. Okay, here we go. So the transactions are starting to come back up after that big dip. The battles have kind of stabilized, gone down actually a little bit. I thought this number would skyrocket because I'm playing. So I think people just don't have the time. I think that's what the thing is. But the accounts have come back up. We're at 160,000. So the bots are readjusting. I don't think they're going to leave. There's a lot of YouTubers have been talking about that because they got too much invested. They just got to readjust their strategy. That might take them a month to figure it out. Who knows? But right now we're reaping the rewards because the chests are really giving us good stuff. But that's encouraging to see the number going up. Always is. Signups have been kind of stable. It's not spell books. The market's gone up a little bit, and the market cap is just flatlined. It's just right where it's at. Token price is pretty much the same too. So we're just in a waiting mode right now to see what happens next. And I think it's coming. That's it for, here's what I wanted to show you. And then that's it, is the Splinterlands strategy. I added Ashley NFT Gaming. These are all the YouTubers that I watch and have helped me along the way. They'll you leave them a question, they'll answer it, or somebody else will that's in the, if they're too busy. Ashley NFT Gaming, Bulldog 1206, Infidel 12, or Dwayne Cunningham. I think he's got 2 or 3 channels. Luke Plays to Earn, Walking Keys and Gank, or Gank and Walking Keys, whichever one you go to. Gathering the Magic, Splinterlands TV, Twitch, weekly, AMA every Monday. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Remember, this is not financial advice. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. And any of the links that you join below really help me out. They're all vetted. I've been using them for years. And have a nice day.